So today I'm making a video of the installation of this outdoor ceiling fan. It's a 60-inch fan. I've unpacked it. You see I've got all the parts here, the motor, the light, even the remote. I'm looking forward to see how it turns out. And I am going to time the installation to see how long it takes. So I finished installing the ceiling fan. It turned out great. Installation only took me about an hour. Could have been a little bit faster, but my house, I had to do some work to get the mount set up. Most people won't run into that issue, but it looks great. And let me show you how well it works. So here's the remote. Good looking remote, by the way. Turn on the light. Oh yeah. And then turn on the fan. Voila. It's a great fan. Easy to install, looks great, works great. I recommend it.